Hey everyone, welcome back. This is JR, founder and CEO of Social Market.
And this is Leon. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Social Market.
Yeah, and this is Social Ledger Report, giving you weekly news on the state of crypto, the markets, everything you need to know about where the market's moving. So this is crypto.com/US, their latest and newest webpage here. So crypto.com here has the American flag, which you go to their website, crypto.com, you click on it, it'll take you to this page. It says America's premier crypto trading platform. It gives you a highlight on the app itself. And then you scroll down just enough, you're going to see this big sign that says breaking news. Trump Media Group and Crypto.com announced America's 6.42 billion CRO treasury. So CRO is the proprietary token for Crypto.com. The fact that they're having a treasury of that volume is pretty significant. If I click on tap more or tap for more, it takes you to mcga.com/news/ the name of the article, which is talking about the strategic 6.42 billion treasury. Just to kind of go over it, you can read this article if you're watching this on YouTube via the link in the description below. But it says, as of August 26, 2025, West Palm Beach, Florida, Yorkville Acquisition Corp. of NASDAQ York, that's the ticker, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp., and that's DJT, and Crypto.com today announced they have entered into a definitive agreement for business combination, on parentheses, the business combination, to establish Trump Media Group CRO strategy, a digital asset treasury company focused on acquisition of the native cryptocurrency token of the Cronus ecosystem. That's CRO, which is Crypto.com's proprietary token. Yorkville Acquisition Corp. is a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, sponsored by Yorkville Acquisition. So that's kind of a disclaimer. And this is kind of like the meat and potatoes of what's happening. So it says, at the close of the business combination, Trump Media Group CRO strategy will be a majority owned by Yorkville Trump Media and Crypto.com, together as founding partners. Expected funding for the digital asset treasury will consist of $1 billion in CRO, which is about $6,313,000,000 and 212 CRO tokens, which represents 19% of the total CRO market cap. Essentially, Cronus is becoming more centralized just by this deal. And it
Yeah,
follows.
but they're also going to use those as rewards on their platforms, right?
Possibly.
So Truth, I thought I read Truth Social, Truth Plus, Truth Fi, whatever the heck they're called, are going to use them as utility rewards on the platform. So convert platform gems into CRO, pay for subscriptions, receive discounted Truth Plus access if they open a Crypto.com account. So kind of like making all their stuff cryptofied in a way.
That's a good point. I didn't even know about that. Thanks for that.
Yeah, because the 6.24 you mentioned, I think you mentioned it. I was halfway listening.
You're good. So that's
$1 billion in CRO tokens, 200 million cash, 220 million in warrants, and then 5 billion equity line of credit. So it's not a 5 billion percent or a 6.42 billion treasury. It's like that's the total amount, but it's not the total amount that's going to be in coins at the moment.
Okay, yeah, no, the actual volume for the treasury itself is 1 billion, which is in Cronus.
Which is 684 million CRO tokens right now, which is 105 million. And they did it in cash and stock deal. So and then Crypto.com will invest 50 million into TMTG shares. So this is a pretty big partnership for them.
It is. So this is on Kraken Exchange, and this is the price of Cronus. It's sitting at 25 cents. And this is...
What's the 1 week? Did it spike?
Oh, yeah. It spiked at 28 cents, and then it went down to 25 cents.
But I think that spike was the highest it's ever been. Yeah.
Yeah, if you look back a month ago, it was like 15, 16 cents at least. And now it spiked to... it spiked to 40 cents as of August 28th. Yeah. Or just under 40 cents. It was 38, and now it's sitting at 25. The highest it's ever been was actually almost $1, according to November. Wow. Yeah, as of November 23rd, 2021. So,
very big difference.
Yeah, that's huge. I mean, 2021 was the time for crypto was blowing everything up. It didn't matter if it was vaporware. your token was probably worth a lot back then. So some of the statistics go as follow. It is the 28th market rank as of volume. It is a volume market cap of 8.45 billion, circulating supply of 34 billion, almost 80 million in volume. The 5-year high is 89 cents. The 5-year low is 4 cents and almost 5 cents. The all-time high is actually 97 cents, so that's probably as of 2021, and 5-year change is just 10 cents. So yeah, I mean, it stayed pretty consistent between 5 cents and 15 cents, and then recently, yeah, saw parabolic volume.
Like Binance is, it's a foreign exchange.
Yep.
Their coin has done the best out of any like exchange backed token.
Yes.
Circle in a quasi way is kind of Coinbase's like token, but it's a stable coin, so it's different. But I think crypto.com is trying to make their coin more useful and aligning with what is objectively the person that's running crypto into this direction is probably a really good deal for them. But I'm just not sure like this coin has any legs to it on the long term. It'll be interesting if like the Trump universe keeps using it. It's an interesting partnership, and I don't know if it's going to really like make CRO worth anything in the long run.
We don't even know who the founders are or who the founder is for crypto.com, but everyone knows CZ from Binance. So I guess that's why the token could be worth a lot more, because a lot more people know Binance. It is the largest exchange in the world. It was early to market. Its token is worth over $400 right now. So
yeah,
there's
so
several
Crypto.com
factors.
is a Hong Kong based thing. It's Bobby Bo, Gary Orr, Chris Marzalko, and Rafael Mello in 2016.
We don't know anything about them. I don't know if they have a presence in the media. And also, I was wrong. For Binance or BNB right now, it was not $400. It's almost at $1,000.
Yeah,
878. So pretty high up there compared to 25 cents for this token, which this could be a signal that there might be more demand, there might be more growth. Trump is a very polarizing figure, so only time will tell. But if people are active, if people genuinely like Truth Social, and people genuinely like crypto, then there could be some demand for this token. It does have a finite supply. So it's not like proof of stake. It's not, infinite cash almost. So I can see it going up. I'm actually going to put some money into CRO. You do what you will with this information.
Might be worth it.
It could be worth it. Funny enough, I have a friend who is a bit of a conservative. He's very political. He was actually talking about buying Cronus because of this. So he already put like $1,000 into it. And this guy is in banking. So
wow.